Today we're here to talk about ways to protect your business from COVID, from the spread of COVID, protect your employees, protect the public, protect the guests who enter your business, and just give yourself a little peace of mind as a business owner, and give your employees and your guests and customers a little bit of peace of mind. Now, this is ideal for schools, for any type of retail business with people walking through the front door, any type of office buildings or malls. If they want to have this type of device, the Sani-Arch device, right in front of the entryway. And we'll be looking at a couple other things besides this, but first we'll look at the Sani-Arch itself. It's a great way to give people an option to protect themselves and disinfect themselves on entry or exit. And the peace of mind you get from having, the option to just click this little button whenever you want. You walk through there, you click it. Close your eyes and mouth for about 4 seconds. You're misted with a skin-safe disinfectant. And you can do that going in the building, coming out the building. And as you can see, this product can be branded. Here we've got Alamo Biscuit. Here we've got Pacific Moon. And there's another one that's a Fit Lab. So in San Antonio alone, there are multiple businesses using this right now. And it gives a little extra measure of protection to your business and the people that matter, which is your customers and your employees, yourself, your family, if you're a family business. Just a little peace of mind. And then the mist also hits the ground. And so a lot of people don't realize you can track COVID in on your shoes. And, I realize everyone wants to sweep and mop and protect their business that way. But having that disinfectant mist hitting the ground, that blocks that additional risk factor of COVID being tracked in on shoes. So there's different options here. It can be, let me see if I can increase the size so people can see this a little better. It can be customized. You can get lighting, multicolor lighting. And the thing to do, if you want to pursue this, give Chris Carter a call or send him an email, chrisc@briterworld.com. That's BRITER world.com. And we'll take a look real quick at a couple other things that are also phenomenal for protecting your business and giving customers and employees a little bit more peace of mind. And that is the Sani-Mat shoe sanitizing station. Okay. It's a little tray here, and you can spray off your footwear. You can, this would be something employees would use in a back room perhaps, or they'd use it before they go home. And it has polyurethane sponges, heavy-duty evergrass mat, comes with concentrated sanitizer, and I think it's 24 by 16 inch mat. Now, we do sell this with bulk orders of PPE, but also these can be sold, I think, in small quantities. But here at Briter World, we deal primarily in bulk orders of PPE, whereas some of these sanitary accessories can be sold in smaller quantities, or can be sold alongside a bulk order of PPE. PPE being personal protective equipment. So this is a great way to give your employees, give yourself, management, anyone in the business who's concerned, give them some peace of mind, allow them to sanitize their shoes, before, during, and after work. And that way they know they're not bringing anything home with them to put their families at risk. And you could also put this, depending on the type of business you have, you can put this at the entryway and give people the option. Put a sign next to it. Real quick, we're going to look at this hand pump station. This is a phenomenal way to protect your business and to encourage, you can also add a sign to this, encourage people to use hand sanitizer. Say, hey, here's a pump station. You don't have to man it. Just throw a sign up. People see that right when they walk in the door. Squirt, squirt. Everybody's being safe right out the gate. Again, we're looking at bulk orders of PPE, but these can be sold individually in small quantities. And they come with a 2-liter jar and a pump and the gel pump stand. And then if you're looking for the sanitizer gel, we have that to go along. You can buy that in gallons or 4 ounce, 8 ounce. There's lots of options on the sanitizer. And this is FDA approved sanitizer, both FDA and CE approved. This is not on the FDA ban list, so this is safe. There's nothing toxic. There's nothing problematic. You can rely on Briter World hand sanitizer supply. So, again, if you're looking for ways to protect your business and give your employees, your management, yourself, your family some peace of mind, come to Briter World and give Chris Carter an email or a call, and we can discuss how soon we can have a Sani-Arch installed in front of your business, in front of your mall, your office building, your schools, and get you the bulk supply that you need, a reliable bulk supply of FDA approved protective equipment, and make sure you're not spreading COVID. Make sure you're doing everything you can to protect your people and not spread this disease. And, of course, there's face shields, different kinds of face shields, baseball caps, and, this isn't always something everyone needs, but definitely in the medical arena and in certain instances where people are interfacing with the public up close and can't maintain social distance, you definitely want to consider face shields. So, come to Briter World, give us a contact, and we'll meet your needs quickly. Transparent pricing, reliable supply, and always FDA approved. You may find some other supplier somewhere with a price that seems like it's better, but can you trust the quality of the product? Can you trust that it's FDA approved? And will that supply remain reliable? So, until next time.